Actually, super chika na kami, day. Kasama na siya sa GC. Manood na ako ng Unmarry Me. Okay, so relatable. Unmarry. Pili, day. Pili. Diba? At least kung gwapo-gwapo, makaingon ka. Wala ay mabitaw na in love ko ito niya kaya tungod gwapo, manggod. Shallow kayo. Kaysa batig na ako. Nag-iilad po dyan ka. Mas maingon. Nabatig po dyan na ako. Nag-iilad po dyan ko. Pili. Pili. Wako kibaw pa dahi. Ba't sigurado magpanty ko magbra. John Lloyd is always Alia's father figure because he's present. You know, John Lloyd is very Elias is very in love with John Lloyd. They have a very close relationship. No, Elias is very in love with his father. So when the breakup happened, so I thank John Lloyd today. Thank you, kay John Lloyd. No, like imagine if you're not there. Imagine if you're not present. So, you know, super na sila close ni John Lloyd na to the point where when John Lloyd brings Elias back to me, Elias cries like, oh, I miss my dada. Ana, mana yan